mission today is to infiltrate into our rival company Domestic's offices and recover a stolen USB.
Obviously your systems are now under attack from the best malware, viruses and bots we could muster. Good luck not losing everything you've ever done.
Like, whoa, like once that door pushed back and we saw this, like it's really like realistic to like those movies with like all those like spy agents and like, yeah, like it was just really cool.
Okay, we got the USB.
My favourite activity in the escape room was probably when you had to find the password on the computer. So you had to go through what the maiden name was or the pet's name, and you had to find the clues all throughout the room.
It's kind of learning about like cybersecurity and how to keep your passwords safe and stuff, and not to like give too much information online.
Definitely be a lot more careful and like self-aware of what they do on social media, because yeah, just like the smallest information, like it can expose like a lot.
There was definitely lots of things like it's easy for hackers to hack when you've got all that information out there.
I really feel like this could help my peers be more aware of what they post on social media and to stop oversharing.